Hi everybody, thank you so much for watching. I'm Diana from Youth Services at Mesa County Libraries. Today I want to show you how to make a craft stick harmonica. I'll show you all the supplies that you need. We'll talk about how to play it and we'll also talk about how it works. So let's get started. Okay, so here are the supplies that you'll need to make your craft stick harmonica. You'll need 2 jumbo craft sticks. These are 8 inches long, and I recommend the 8-inch long ones. They seem to work best. You'll need 1 straw. You will also need a pen or a marker, scissors, and a ruler so that you can cut your straw pieces. You will need 3 rubber bands. You need 1 thick rubber band, and you'll need 2 thinner rubber bands. Okay, so you're going to take one of your jumbo craft sticks and you're going to wrap your rubber band going the length of the stick. So you're going to have it in the middle here, just like so. All right, so now you're going to set that aside because we're going to work with the straw. So we want 2 pieces of straw, and we want them to be about 1.5 inches long. And so that's why I had my ruler, marker, and a pair of scissors so that I could cut that about the same size here. So I'm going to put my ruler down, and with my marker, I'm going to mark off on my straw here 1.5 inches. So I know where to cut it. And then, all right, so I have my 2 spots where I know to cut. So I'll cut those. Okay, there we are. All right, so let's put these supplies over here. I'm going to put my 2 pieces of straw on top of my other stick going the width. Okay, so you'll have like little pieces of straw hanging off the edges of the craft stick. So now I'm going to take my other one that I put the rubber band on, and I'm going to put it right on top of the straws. Okay, so it's kind of like you have a sandwich where you've got the craft stick, the straws, and then the other craft stick, okay? So now what we're gonna do is just wrap the edges. We're gonna kind of hold this all together in the middle, and then we're going to wrap around that rubber band so that we keep it all together, okay? So you're gonna have your harmonica now. All right, so that's one end, and then let's do the other one, just kind of holding everything in place here. Let's wrap this again. All right, so now the fun. Now we're going to get to play our harmonica. So let's give it a try here. And we're gonna blow in between the gap of the sticks here. Kind of sounds like a kazoo, right? All right, so let's talk about the science behind the sound from that craft stick harmonica that we just made. So sound is caused by vibration, or in other words, movement. When you press down and blow into your craft sticks, you're moving the sticks and the thick rubber band, which creates vibrations and therefore sound. The number of times a sound wave moves is its frequency. Fewer and longer frequencies create lower sound or pitch, while more and shorter frequencies create a higher pitch. So sliding the straws closer to the outside rubber bands makes a lower pitch. All right, so now that we've learned about how pitch is made with this harmonica, let's try it out. So this is gonna be with our straws closer towards the middle, and see if we can get that high pitch that we should be getting, that high pitch from that frequency, from those shorter wavelengths, okay? Let's see if we can do that. Yeah, that's definitely high pitch. That sounds really funny. All right, so let's see. Can you maybe do a song? All right, well, I hope you have fun experimenting with your craft stick harmonicas. So harmonicas, the real ones, the metal ones, are an old instrument, an old musical instrument. They're really handy because you can put them in your pocket. You can take them around whenever you want to play music. They're used a lot in blues music. So, if you are interested in learning more about instruments, harmonicas, music in general, or even sound, of course we have all kinds of books that you can check out at Mesa County Libraries. But if you are one of those people that likes to learn while you watch something, we have a great resource on our website called Canopy Kids, and there is a video on there that is called Exploring Sound. So EXPLORING space SOUND, and you can watch that. It'll tell you all about sound waves, pitch, frequency, all that information that I talked about earlier. All right, well, have a great rest of your day, and I hope you enjoy our next videos to come. Take care. Bye.